Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make butter at home. Making your own butter is surprisingly simple and requires just one main ingredient, heavy cream. For the best results, make sure your heavy cream is very cold before you begin. You'll also need a stand mixer with a whisk attachment or a food processor to churn the cream effectively. Let's get started with the process. Once your cold heavy cream is in the mixer, begin whipping it on medium-high speed. You'll notice it go through several stages. First whipped cream, then a slightly curdled texture, and finally, it will separate into solid butter and liquid buttermilk. This transformation usually takes about 7 to 10 minutes. Be patient, as the separation happens quite suddenly. The liquid buttermilk can be strained and saved for other recipes. After the butter has separated, you need to wash it. This crucial step involves rinsing the solid butter under very cold water, pressing out any remaining buttermilk. Washing helps remove milk solids that can cause your butter to spoil quickly. Continue rinsing until the water runs clear. Once washed, you can add salt to taste. A good starting point is about 1/4 teaspoon of salt per stick of butter, mixing it in thoroughly. Proper storage is key to enjoying your homemade butter. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. For longer storage, you can freeze it for several months. Enjoy your delicious, fresh butter on toast, in cooking, or wherever you'd normally use store-bought butter. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.